So we have seen that there is a network peer P1 which is added to the network on the channel C1, which is hosting a copy of the ledger L1 and a smart contract S5 from the organization R1, which is having an application A1. Now let's proceed further. Now what we see here that the network has now grown through the addition of infrastructure from organization R2 also. Till now we had only peer P1 and application A1 hosted by organization R1. Now organization R2, they also have a peer P2 and an application R2. So R2 has added peer node P2 which hosts a copy of the ledger L1 and chain code S5. Since both P1 and P2 are part of the same channel R1, so they have the same copy of the ledger L1 which is updated by ordering service O4. Both of them have the same chain code smart contract S5 on their peer nodes, and they have their respective application A1 and A2 which is external to the network. So this organization R2 is governed by certificate authority CA2. So R2 approves the same chain code function, same chain code definition as R1. So the chain code does not change because it is the same channel which both of them are a peer node. So P2 has also joined channel C1 and has an application A2. So application A2 and peer node P2 are identified using certificates CA2. All of this means that both application A1 and A2 can invoke the smart contract S5 on the channel C1 using peer node P1 and P2. So a basic network is thus complete. So we have a consortium R1 and R2 which is governed by the principal configuration CC1. We have an ordering node O4 which is developed by an administrator R4 organization as per a network configuration NC4. R1 was the initial organization that joined the network and is also part of the administrator. They developed a channel C1 which has two peers P1 and P2 belonging to R1 and R2 respectively. Both of them have a same copy of ledger L1 and same smart contract S1 deployed. Each of the organizations has its own certificate authority CA1, CA2 or CA4. Each of the organizations have an external application A1 and A2 which can access the smart code S5 on their respective peer nodes. So the channel CUC1 is connected to the ordering service O4. It's connected to the peer nodes P1 and P2 and keeps on updating the ledger L1 simultaneously. So both the peers have the smart contract chain code S5 deployed, which can be accessed by their respective applications A1 and A2. So this is a basic network. Now let's complicate this a little more further. Thank you.